I vulture.
Vulture. Good. Next. Crane.
इनके बाद ये के
Crane.
पास
Next.
Crane.
हाँ
Pickle.
Woodpecker. Next.
Ma'am. Good
Yes,
morning,
ma.
ma'am.
Good morning,
Bird.
Madhuvanti.
Good morning.
Hummingbird.
Good morning, ma'am.
Sorry. Flightless bird. Good morning, Kadambari.
சொல்லுங்க
What is it? Flightless bird.
क्या कर रहा है?
Madhuvanti, mute yourself. I heard you, Madhuvanti.
சொல்லுங்க
Inkling.
Penguin and
Okay.
இது
I'm
kiwi. Okay, next.
Money man.
Good morning, Maria Sri. Ostrich. Emu. Okay.
Eagle.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, let me see who all have joined. Yes, very good. Good morning, Adarsh, Ilango, Adya Sharma. Good morning. Yes, very good morning. Happy to see you after a long break. Yes, did you all enjoy your holidays? You all enjoyed, huh? Where
Yes,
is the holidays? Yes,
ma'am.
ah? No one missed vanilla, ma'am. யாருமே vanilla
Yes,
ma'am miss
ma'am.
பண்ணலையா?
Yes,
ஆ?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, Adarsh. அடி கிடைக்க போகுது. Okay, fine. Okay, children. I want all of you to stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Let's start our session. Come on. Stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. It's the anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wings beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Please open your eyes. Keep standing for the warm-up activity.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes, come on, all of you. A big good morning from everyone. I heard only from Nimal and Sarah. Others, good morning. A big good morning, a loud good morning. Yes? Okay, before that, we'll sing a rhyme. Yes? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet, left, right. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. Turn around. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. Okay, next is hooray. Everyone should unmute yourself and shout hooray. Okay, if you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Yeah, very good. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Very good. If you're happy and you know it, say good morning, ma'am. Loud good morning, ma'am. Very good. Well I love that. Yes, very good morning, Moksha. Okay, come on. Now it's ready. Are you all ready for the warm activity?
Activity. Activity.
Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop. Tiger. Run, 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 run like a tiger. Run, run, run. Run like a tiger. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop. Elephant. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp like an elephant. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp like an elephant. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop. Kangaroo. Jump, jump, jump. Jump like a kangaroo. Jump, jump, jump. Jump like a kangaroo. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop. Crocodile. Snap, snap, snap. Snap like a crocodile. Snap, snap, snap. Snap like a crocodile. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop. Eagle. Fly, fly, fly. Fly like an eagle. Fly, fly, fly. Fly like an eagle. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop. It's well done, all of you. Come on, go drink one glass of water and come back for attendance, children. Adya.
पहले उधर पहले हेयर आई बोलो.
Here I am.
अच्छा वहाँ पहले बोलो हेयर आई.
Adya. Okay, I'm marking you, Adya. Next, Ilango. Very good, Ilango. Yes, I heard you, Ma. Nakshatra. Very good, Nakshatra. Nitish. Very good, Ma, Nitish. Kevin. Very good, Kevin. Riyasri.
11 years.
Very good, ma. Sarah.
Unmute பண்ணிட்டேன்.
Yes, very good, Sarah. Pranavi. Pravina. Srinija. Very good. Tilakar. 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 Okay, marking you, Tilakar. Next. Kadambari. Kadambari. Unmute yourself and say, here I am, Kadambari. Yes, very good. Shravanya.
Here I am.
Yes, good, Shravanya. Mokshita.
Isaiah Vanilla Man.
It's very good. Nimalan.
Here I am. Vanilla Man.
Yes, very good. Adarsh. Very good, Adarsh. Madhuvanti.
Yeah, Vanilla Man.
Yes, very good. Very good, Madhuvanti. Okay, all of you mute yourself, children. I don't know whose audio is echoing. So please mute yourself.
That's a picture, Dagi.
Next is our rhyme session. So first time, what rhyme shall we sing? What rhymes? Culmination 3 rhymes. What rhymes? Over. Yes. Where has my little dog gone? Yeah, Incy also will sing. Oh, where can he be? With his ears so short and his tail so long. Oh, where can he be? Okay. Next is our under a web rhyme. Okay. Under a web beside the gate, the spider hangs, his legs are 8. Above him flies the busy buzzing bee. 6 black furry legs has she. Next is Incy Wincy Spider again, okay? Incy Wincy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sunshine, dried up all the rain. So the Incy Wincy Spider went up the spout again. Okay, the next rhyme is the butterfly rhyme. You all remember the life stage of a butterfly? Yes, 4 stages are there. First stage is the eggs. First comes the butterfly and lays an egg. Out comes the caterpillar with many legs. The caterpillar spins and forms a chrysalis. Out comes the butterfly and blows a kiss. Yes, this is the life cycle of a butterfly. And the rhyme is also the same. Okay. First comes the butterfly and lays an egg. You can see the egg here. Can you all see the egg here? Yes or no? Egg. See here, egg. First comes the butterfly and lays an egg. Out comes the caterpillar with many legs. Can you see the caterpillar with many legs?
Yes,
Caterpillar spins and forms a chrysalis. This is the chrysalis. Chrysalis, okay? Out comes the butterfly. Where does the butterfly come from? From this chrysalis, okay? It takes some time and after that, it converts into a beautiful butterfly. This caterpillar will convert into a beautiful butterfly here, okay? Here, butterfly. And blows a kiss. It's fine. This is the life cycle of a butterfly. Okay. Next, I want you to have a small recap of the 2-letter words that we have learned so far. So all these days, I don't know how many of you have learned. So we'll have a quick recap of all those words, okay? What is it? O-N. O-N. On. Very good. O-N, on. Good. Next. A-S. A-S. Okay, one by one I'll call you and ask you. Mute yourself. One by one I'll ask you. Okay? A-S. Whom shall I ask? Nitish. What is A-S? A-S. 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 As. Good. Okay. Next is Srinija. A-T. It. No. What is the sound of A? At. Very good. At. Okay. Next is Sara. A-M. Sorry. A-M. Mm. A. Mm. Mm. What is a? Mm. Am. Am. Very good. Okay, next is Nakshatra. Nakshatra. Good Nakshatra. A-N. An. Good. Next is Kadambari. IT. Yeah? Is it IT? If. Very good, Kadambari. Adya Sharma.
क्या ये हाँ
I-N.
हाँ
Phonic sound of N.
IN हाँ
In. Okay. Thank you, Ma. Next is Shravanya. It. Very good, Shravanya. Ilango.
சொல்லு சிட் ப்ராப்பர்லி என்னன்னு சொல்லுங்க எழுங்க ரீட் பண்ணி எழுங்க
Very good. Nimalan. Good. Mokshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Read this word.
T-H-E. The.
Very good. T-H-E. The. Okay, next is Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti.
Yes, ma'am.
H-E. He. Very good, Madhuvanti. Tilakar. Tilakar. S-H-E. What is this word? Come on, ma, Tilakar. It's a chinna annadu. Unmute yourself and say Tilakar. Hi. Without unmuting, how can I hear your answer? Mute yourself, Madhuvanti. Tilakar. Tilakar's mom, I'm not able to hear his answer. She நீங்க சொல்றீங்க, but I can't hear. Why? Unmute பண்ணுங்க, Tilakar's mom. Problem in your audio, va? Okay, fine. Sorry, Tilakar, I can't hear you. It's okay, but I hope you have said the correct answer. Thank you so much. And next, I want all of you to take your English notebook and write today's date, children.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Riyasri, I didn't ask you. Sorry, Riyasri. 1 minute, Riyasri. Okay? What is this, Riyasri?
Yes, there.
Very good. The. So quick. Huh? Next. Kevin, did I ask you, Kevin?
No, ma'am.
Kevin, what word is this? I-N. What is I-N?
I-N.
I-N. In. 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 Okay. Adarsh. Can you read this word? I-F. Very good, Adarsh. Then this word. Try this word, Adarsh. Hey, super. This word. Yeah, ma Tilakar. 1 minute. Super, ma. This one. Oh. As. Hey, very good. High five, Adarsh. Such a good boy, Adarsh. You learnt all these days, huh? Very good boy. Very good boy. Okay. Now all of you take your English notebook. First, you're going to draw an ant. Okay, you're going to draw an ant picture and you're going to write the spelling also. Okay, ant. I've told you the phonic sound. You're going to write the letter for that. Okay, first draw the ant picture. See, the ant picture will be like this. Ant. And then you are going to write the spelling ant. A-N-T, ant.
Ma'am?
Yes?
Ma'am? In English note we have to write, ma'am?
Yeah, English notebook. 4-line notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Ant. Yes, Adya, have you finished drawing your ant picture? Finish kar liya? Chalo. Draw your ant picture first and write A-N-T, ant next to it. Okay? If you are finding it very difficult, parents can guide them. No problem. You can draw and give them. If they are able to draw, let them draw. If it is very difficult for them, they are not able to draw, means you can help them. But let them try first. Ant.
என்ன சொல்லுங்க பால் அப்புறம்
Ant. Is very good. Who finished? Himalayan finished. Very good. Nakshatra finished. Good. Why don't you try and draw, Shravanya? Mummy nalla varela. Then you should try, no?
No, ma'am.
Yes, mummy is helping you and you are commenting on her drawing, huh? Very bad. Finish. Okay. And finish. Okay. Next is pan. Okay, we are going to write the spelling for pan. Pan. Pa means what letter will you write, children? Pa. Pa means what letter? Answer first and then you can write. Pa means what letter you will write? P. Very good. Pa. A. A means A. A. Very good. A means A. Means what letter you will write? N. Very good. P. A. N. Pan. P. A. N. Pan. First, draw a circle, and inside that circle, draw another small circle and the handle. It's very good. Pan. Finish. Pan. Finish. Okay, next is mat. Mat. Okay, now we are going to write the spelling for mat. First letter is Means what letter will you write, children? Mom and the dad makes many meals. Means what will you write? What letter will you write? M. Very good, Nakshatra. M. And next is A. No? A. A means what letter will you write? A na enna letter எழுதுவீங்க? A. A means what will you write? A. And so my arm. A. Very good. And next is Ta. When I watch the tennis play. Ta. What will you write? Ta na enna எழுதுவீங்க? T. Very good, ma. Mokshita. M-A-T. Mat. Parents, whenever they are free, give them dictation words like this. Cat, mat, rat and all. Have to say the individual phonic sound. Rat means means what will you write? A means what will you write? T means what will you write? Like that you have to question them and they have to identify the phonic sound and then they have to write the spelling. Instead of mugging up RAT is rat, CAT is cat like that, have to tell them the individual phonic sound for them. Okay? Finish mat? Very good. Finish. Okay. Next is what is it? What is this? Hmm? No, not a drum.
என்னது இது?
Because we need the square.
Huh?
The square.
Bin. Okay, bin. Ba. Ba means what will you write? Bin. Ba. Ba. Bring your bat and bring your ball. Ba. What will you write? B. Very good. B. E. Inky the mouse is my pet. What will you write? Inky the mouse is my pet. What letter will you write? E. 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 I. And then again, means N. Here the aeroplane. Bin. Bin. And the next picture is sun. Okay. So what spelling will you write for sun? Sun. Snake is in the grass. Yeah, sun. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Yes. And then up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas. What will you write? When it starts to rain. U. And again, here the aeroplane. S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. Very good, Shravanya. Okay. Those who have finished, on top of the notebook, yes, you write all the 5 vowels, children. What are the vowels I taught you before class itself? What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So all these 5 letters on top you are going to write. Above this ant you will have a margin, right? On that margin you write the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. First write A in an order, children. A. Next you have to write E. And then you have to write I. And then O. And then U. Okay? A, E, I, O, U. Yes, have you written A, E, I, O, U on top? All of you let me know. We have another thing we have to do here. Come on, finish writing that. Finished till the sun, na? After finishing till the sun picture, on top of it, on the margin, where we used to write the heading and all, in that place you have to write A, E, I, O, U, vowels. Is everyone has finished? Okay. Now in all these words, yes, take a color pencil or crayon and circle only the vowel in each word. இந்த எல்லா வேர்ட்லயும் என்ன வவல் இருக்குன்னு பார்த்து சர்க்கிள் பண்ணணும். ஏ இருந்தா சர்க்கிள் பண்ணுங்க, இ இருந்தா சர்க்கிள் பண்ணுங்க, ஐ, ஓ, யூ. So these 5 letters wherever you see in this 5 words, you are going to circle. Take a crayon separately and circle. Don't circle with your pencil itself. Color with a color pen. Sorry, circle with a color pencil. Only the vowels you are going to circle, children. For example, see here, I have ant here. So from A, E, I, O, U, I have A here. So I'm going to circle A. Like this you are going to do. For pan, in pan, what vowel you have? Any vowels you have in pan? Check whether you have any vowel in pan. A, E, I, O, U. What is there? Yes, A. Very good. Circle A. And then here in mat, mat, M-A-T. What vowel you have in mat? Check with the 5 letters over there. A இருக்கா இல்ல E இருக்கா I இருக்கா O இருக்கா இல்ல U இருக்கா எந்த word இது எந்த letter இருக்குன்னு பார்த்து circle பண்ணணும் ஒரு wordலயும். Okay? Come on. I've done 2 for you. Rest of the thing you have to do.
Yes, ma'am.
Finished. What are the vowels in that words, ma?
Vowels.
What are all the vowels that you have circled?
Vowels. Do. Vowels.
Antler, what vowel you have circled?
Vowels.
இங்க பாரு ஆண்ட்ல எது சர்க்கிள் பண்ண சொல்லுடா இங்க 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 என்ன இருக்கு
Antler என்ன circle பண்ணிருக்கீங்க? எந்த vowel circle பண்ணிருக்கீங்க?
Do. The vowel.
அதான் என்ன லெட்டர் இங்க பாரு இது என்ன லெட்டர் சொல்லு
A.
சத்தமா
Correct? Okay. In sun, what vowel you have circled, Riyasri? Sun. Sun picture ல என்ன vowel
என்ன
circle
லெட்டர்
பண்ணிருக்கீங்க?
இங்க பாரு
Sun, sun. Where is the sun picture?
இருக்கு பச்சன் சன் பிக்சர் இருக்கா இது என்ன லெட்டர் இங்க போட்டு இது என்ன லெட்டர் சொல்லுடா ஏய் என்னாச்சு உனக்கு
Okay, fine, Riyasri. No problem. If you are able to identify, well and good. No problem. Yes,
சொல்லு என்ன
Sarah,
லெட்டர்
finish.
Yes, ma'am.
Finished, Sarah? Okay, what is the vowel that you have circled in the picture? Sun.
Sun.
Sun, what is the vowel there?
What is the vowel present?
Huh?
Sunல என்ன vowel சொல்லுங்க கேக்குறேன்.
Very good, Adya Sharma. Very good. You. Very good. Okay. Next, bin. Ilango, what vowel you have circled in bin?
மேம் கேக்குறாங்க பாரு பின்ல என்ன
Binல
vowel
என்ன
circle
vowel circle பண்ணிருக்கீங்க?
பார்த்து சொல்லு மேம் பின்ல என்ன vowel circle பண்ணிருக்க
You.
பின்ல யூவா பின் எங்க இருக்கு லங்கோ ம் இங்க பார்த்து சொல்லணும் குட் பை தானே இங்க பார்த்து சொல்லு பின்ல
Bin,
என்ன
bin.
I.
I. Very good. Well done. And next, Adya Sharma.
Thanks.
Mat. In mat, what vowel you have circled? Mat.
इसमें कौन सा वोवल है मैट में?
Ayo.
Very good, Adya Sharma. Shravanya. In pan, what vowel you have circled? Pan. In pan, what vowel you have circled?
सर्किल பண்ணிருக்கேன்.
Panல என்ன vowel circle பண்ணிருக்கீங்கம்மா?
சொல்லுங்க வாய் திறந்து.
Hey, very good. Thank you so much, ma. Okay, children, very good, all of you. Big round of applause for everyone. Okay, now take your maths notebook. Take your math notebook. Yes, Write today's date. Today's date is 1/5/15 dash 1/1/11 dash 2/1/21. And the day is Monday. The month is November. Take your math notebook. We are going to write numbers dictation. Okay? Ready? Steady. Shall we start? Ready? Yeah? Thumbs up when you're ready. If you are ready, show me thumbs up. We'll start, okay?
Ready, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Okay. Sarah is also ready. Adya is also ready. Yes, okay. The first number that you are going to write is 56.
Ma'am, please wait, ma'am.
Himalana. 56. 56. What number will you write for 56, Kadambari? Huh? Yeah, 5, 6, 56. Very good. Five, 6, 56. Very good. Next number is 16. 16. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16. 16 means what number will you write, Adya Sharma? 16, how will you write? 16, tell me. Adya. Adya.
ये 16 है
16.
ये 16 के
How did you write 16?
मैं
16 मजाक नहीं सही बात बता
What you have written? What number you have written?
you have written 6
Only 6, huh?
हाँ
Oh, chuchu. That is not 16.
I got it 1 6
1, 6.
1 6
Correct only. 1, 6, 16. Okay. Now the next number is 44. Madhuvanti, what will you write for 44?
1 in this
44. 44, ma. Madhuvanti, 44 எப்படி எழுதுவீங்க? Srinija, how will you write 44?
4 4 44
Very good. 4, 4, 44. High five. Yeah, well done. 4, 4, 44. Next number is, ready, yeah? Finish 44. Okay. Now the next number is 32. 32. Tilakar, how will you write 32? Huh? 3, 4, 3, 4, 34. 32. Tilakar, 32 எப்படி எழுதுவீங்க? How will you write 32? Unmute yourself. Let me check whether your audio is audible. I can hear you. Come on. 3, 4, 32. 32 என்ன நம்பர் எழுதுவீங்க? 3, 2, 32. Very good. 3 to 32. Good. Next number is 13. Sarah, what will you write for 13?
13.
13. 11, 12, 13. 13.
How will you write?
13 எப்படி எழுதுவீங்க?
எப்படி எழுதுவீங்க கேக்குறேன்.
What are the numbers you should write for 13? 13.
How do you write? Adanda, how will you இல்ல how will you write?
13.
One not two, why ever 13? How will you write 13? 1 1. Will you write 1 1? What will you write?
1, 3,
13.
13.
Yes, 1.
1, 3, 13. Yeah, good.
13. 3 4. पहले 1 आधा
1, 3, 13. First write number 1 and then only you should write number 3. Okay?
ये 3 है? 3 ऐसे होता है? ये क्या लिखा आपने? उल्टा 3 लिख दिया। सही करो 3 को। 3 को सही करो बेटा। ऐसे ऐसे क्या होता है? ऐसे ऐसे होता है।
Okay, now the next number is 29.
29 लिखो।
29.
29।
29.
हाँ लिखो 29। क्या लिख रहे हो?
Nimalan, what number will you write for 29?
ऐसे
क्या कैसे?
Huh?
29
29 க்கு என்ன நம்பர் மா எழுதணும்?
तो 9 है। 29।
29.
29
Very good. 29, 29. Very good.
29
Yeah.
29।
29, 29. First write number 2 and then write number 9. 2, 9, 29.
29 29।
Finish?
ये 2 है? ये 2 है?
Achoo, Adya Sharma. Mama is shouting at you. What Adya? Achoo.
9।
ठीक है. No problem. Don't cry. You have to write correctly, no? You know how will you write number 2? You know to write right. And why are you making mistakes, Adya? It's easy to write 2. Yes, mommy will give you chocolate. Come on, write. Don't cry. Yes, finish. 29. Next number is 45. 45. Shravanya, what number will you write? 45. 45. Unmute yourself and answer.
4 5 45
Very good. 4, 5, 45. Good.
Two 9 29 எழுதுனியா? 2 9 29 எழுது.
இல்ல
எழுது இங்க.
2 4
29
3 4
2
5 5
2 9 2 9 29 எழுது.
5 4
5 4 அப்ப 4 எழுதுறா.
4, 5, 45. You said correctly only, but don't write ulta. 5, 4 becomes 54. How can you write that? 4 first எழுதுங்க அதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் 5 எழுதணும். Okay? 4, 5, 45.
He wrote 4, but she said 5. Yeah.
Okay. Good. Okay, next is number 60. 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60. 60. Mokshita, 60, what number will you write? What are the numbers that you should write for 60? Mokshita?
Yes, ma'am.
How will you write number 60?
6
6,
0.
6, 0, 60. Very good. 6, 0, 60.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome. 6, first write number 6 and then write number 0. 6, 0, 60. Those who are finished writing these numbers, the next page you are going to write tens counting from 10 to 100. Come on, start writing. Those who are finished writing till 60, start writing the tens counting, children. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Come on, start writing the tens counting. Yes, Kadambari, sit and write. Ten, next 20, 1, 0, 10, 2, 0, 20, 3, 0, 30, 4, 0, 40, 5, 0, 50, 6, 0, 60, 7, 0, 70, 8, 0, 80, 9, 0, 90, 1, 0, 0, 100. Like 1, 2, 3 only, children. You used to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In extra, you are going to add zeros to it. When you add 0 to 1, it becomes 10. And then if you add 0 to 2, it becomes 20. Just like writing 1, 2, 3 only. Come on, write. 1, 0, 10. 2, 0, 20. 3, 0, 30. 4, 0, 40. 5, 0, 50. 6, 0, 60. 7, 0, 70. 8, 0, 80. 9, 0, 90. And then 1, 0, 0, 100.
Good. Nimal.
Very good, Nimalan. Well done. Give him stars, Nimalan's mom.
Okay, ma'am, sure, ma'am.
Who finished? Kadambari. Very good, Kadambari. Get stars. Get stars in your notebook. Nitish. Very good boy, Nitish. Get star. Who else? Nimalan, Kadambari, Nitish. Then who finished?
Ma'am.
Very good, Kevin, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Kevin. He has written correctly.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, give him stars. Very good,
Yes.
Kevin. Tilakar also finished, huh? Very good, Tilakar. Get stars from your mama. Ilango finish.
Ma'am kita.
100.
Finished answer.
Finished, huh?
Ma'am.
Very good, Ilango. Get stars in your notebook.
Maushita finished, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Mokshita and Madhuvanti. Nakshatra also very good. Get stars in your notebook, those are finished.
Finished, ma'am.
Very good, ma. Priyasri, get stars in your notebook. Very good, children. Thank you so much, children. Thanks for your cooperation. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye, ma'am.
Yes, bye, everyone. Yes, bye and thank you, children.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes, bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye,
Yes, bye, ma, Nitish. Bye, Nimalan. Bye, Nakshatra.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes, bye, ma. Bye, Tilakar. Bye,
Excuse
Adarsh.
me, ma'am.
Ah, yes,
Ma'am,
Nimalan's mom.
when we'll be having the talk time activity, ma'am?
For Children's Day, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we'll let you know, ma, Nimalan's mom.
Okay,
Because
ma'am.
due to this rain, no, many
Yes,
of you would have faced some difficulties, so that we have postponed it. We'll have a meeting regarding that and we'll let you know. Today we'll be having a
okay, ma'am.
meeting, so we'll
Okay,
discuss
ma'am.
and we'll let you know. Okay, priorly we'll let you
Okay.
know.
Okay,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, bye. Ma.